Found this little farmhouse. It's pretty wooded in. Let's see if we can get in it and take a peek. Pretty cool area. Oh, look at the old well. That's cool. Yeah, just see better days. Oh, yeah. Let's check out the well. Cool. Alright, so I put it on a wide angle screen. So let's take a little peek in here. See what we can see. Probably not going down there because it looks creepy. But let's take a peek. This looks like it maybe was built 1890. Somewhere around that ballpark. Lots of mold. Floors are definitely pretty warped. Well cleaned out. And took the fireplace. Wow. All these flyers everywhere. What are they? Halloween special. Maybe they had a Halloween party in here. That'd be cool. Say it'd be a creepy Halloween party. Old bathtub, wow. Look at all that ceiling stuff falling off. Kind of like the color scheme. It would have been like a nice, like country kind of style. All right, who dares me to go up? Oh. Seems safe enough. I wonder if they had a fire. Well, nothing up here. Wow. Oh, that's too bad. I was hoping it'd be something cool to go look at. So that concludes the tour. Really cool farmhouse, country house, whatever you want to call it. Hit the subscribe button. Definitely leave a comment. If you want to know the address or something, just DM me and can arrange that. But pretty cool house.